Today, we're going to walk you through how to use FORMSTACK for Salesforce to engage your prospects after a content download. You can use this workflow to ensure you're engaging prospective customers when they download a piece of content, complete your Contact Us form, sign up to receive your newsletter, and more. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps you'll need to take to set up your Salesforce form, generate a Salesforce document, and establish triggers for tasks and emails. This tutorial was inspired by a workflow created by FORMSTACK partner Lev as a part of our partner certification program. Interested in becoming a FORMSTACK partner? Check out the link in the description to learn more. We'll get started by logging into Documents for Salesforce, which can be found in the App Exchange. Give your document a title and upload. Once you've set up your document, head over to the Delivery tab and select New Delivery. Here, we'll set up our initial email to customers who requested content. Keep this email short, but consider including links to additional content such as blog posts or event registrations. Once we've set up our email delivery, we're ready to map fields from our Salesforce records to our document. Give your mapping a name, set your object, and choose your document. You have the option to establish your document send trigger here or using the process builder. For this workflow, we're going to set our trigger in the process builder. When you're done, activate and save your mapping. Next, it's time to build our form. Give your form a title and choose the object you intend to use. In this example, we're using contact. Use the drag and drop builder to add fields from the contact object to your form. Once you've added the necessary fields to your form, head over to the form settings. In this example, we're optimizing our button copy to something actionable that may encourage more clicks. Here, you can also alter your submission message as needed. Once you save your form, you'll be directed to the Publish options, where you can grab a link to your form or the embed code, which will allow you to add the form to your site. Now, we're going to head over to the Process Builder to set up our document trigger and create an email alert for our sales team to reach out to our prospects. First, we'll establish the trigger to generate our document. Here, we're using the Apex action type. To complete this trigger, you'll need to grab the mapping ID from the document mapping we set up at the start of this workflow. Another process could be to send an email alert to remind your sales team to reach out to the prospect. If you're trying to build a Salesforce marketing workflow with several moving parts, FORMSTACK partner Lev has your back. Their team of marketing strategists and technical experts are skilled in creating powerful workflows with FORMSTACK and Salesforce. Check out the link in the description to learn more. Test this automated workflow and many more by downloading FORMSTACK for Salesforce from the App Exchange, or check out the other videos in our Builder series for more ways to optimize your sales and marketing efforts.